So the second obstacle for the day is, his obstacle is what all do he need to invest in start teaching online. So there are various gadgets that you need. First of all, you need a good laptop. A good laptop with a good processor is something that you need, because being an educator means you're creating a lot of PDFs, you're creating a lot of PPTs, so you need a lot of backup for that data. Because I've seen with many educators, because of slow processor or something which is not if the laptop is not up to date, then what happens, they lose all the backup, they lose all the material, all the content. So first of all, you need to have a good laptop. Then the second thing is the camera. The camera quality has to be really good. There are various cameras which are available. You can look into it and you can decide which one will be better for you. So camera is very essential. Then the third thing is ring light. So whenever you're making videos, it is extremely essential that the background light or the light that you're using is appropriate and there is no darkness in your videos. So use a proper ring light, because sometimes it happens that even though you have a lot of tube lights or bulbs or whatever in your room, still if the video quality is not good, people are not gonna watch your video, or they'll not be into that video. So that matters a lot. Then if you don't have a green setup, the fourth thing will be that you have a green setup. And what happens is if you have a green setup, the students won't get distracted while you're teaching. And you can even use animation, and even if you want to use any sort of other things, you can use through the green setup. But if you don't want to invest in that, then you can even have a white wall. A white wall will help a lot. Don't have a pink or green or any sort of wall. Have a white wall, a plain wall, that would help a lot. And then what is the next thing, that you need a mic, because the background noise, or if there is any sort of interruption during the video, that will distract the students and that will actually also break the flow. So you need to have a good quality mic, and that will also help a lot. So these are the basic things, and the most important thing is you need to have a writing tab, because even if you're teaching a subject which is like English, for example, still you need to keep on making notes while you're teaching, because if you are not writing anything on the slides, or if you're not emphasizing on anything, the students probably will lose their interest. So I'll say always have a pen tab. And if you're teaching subjects like science or maths, then that will be super important. And for competitive exams, that will be super important, because content is always available on the books, but the students want something extra from you. Your input is extremely important, and if you give it during the class, that will help them a lot. So I'll say these are the things that you should invest in. And let me be honest, if you start with the basics, it's not that expensive. Don't always go for the best quality thing. You can start with a basic camera, and if you buy a good laptop, then in that itself you'll get a good camera. You can start with that, invest in a good laptop, writing pad, that is a pen tab. Then you can have a ring light, which is also very cheap, and a mic. These are the basic things. A green setup and a white wall can be something that you can decide on your own. And this is how you can definitely start your online tutor business. Yes, thank you.